In today's video, I'll show you how to rebuild your Outlook search index to fix slow or incomplete search results. Outlook depends on the Windows search index to quickly scan emails, attachments, and calendar items, so rebuilding it can clear glitches and refresh results. Start by opening indexing options through Outlook by clicking File Options, then Search. From there, select Indexing Options. If Outlook isn't open, you can also access this from the Windows Control Panel by searching for Indexing Options or browsing System Categories. When the Indexing Options window opens, make sure Microsoft Outlook appears in the Index These Locations list. If it's missing, click Modify, find Outlook in the list, and check the box to include it. This ensures your Outlook data will be indexed properly. Next, rebuild the index. In the Indexing Options window, click Advanced. Under the Index Settings tab, look for the Troubleshooting section and click Rebuild. A prompt will warn you that this restarts the indexing process. Click OK to continue and approve any permission prompts. This clears the old index and generates a new one, which often fixes search problems caused by large mailbox changes or system updates. The rebuild process takes time depending on your computer and mailbox size. You can continue using your device, but it may complete faster if you close unnecessary apps and keep the computer awake and plugged in. During rebuilding, search results may appear incomplete, which is normal until indexing has fully refreshed. Once the index finishes rebuilding, restart Outlook so it can load the updated index. Test your search again, you should see quicker and more accurate results. If you frequently manage a lot of email, keeping Outlook open after major mailbox updates helps Windows maintain an up-to-date index.